My name is Bruno, and the film I co-produced, First Person, was selected to play at TIFF. TIFF is a reference around the world. It's something I think all filmmakers have as a goal. But of course, if you're a filmmaker in Canada, and particularly in Toronto, it has a special meaning. It's something every year you see filmmakers from around the world coming over to your city. So being able to be part of it is a great experience. And most of all, being able to give this back to the crew and everybody who helped out in the project.
You're going to work on a lot of projects that will be submitted to TIFF, but to have something that has been selected and will be presented and will have an audience seeing it and judging it is otherworldly.
I am definitely proud that First Person got into TIFF. Definitely the people who put the project together, including Bruno and everybody else above the line, they definitely put together something special, and I am really proud of it, and I cannot wait to attend it and see what the reception is of it. Definitely looking forward to that.
The objective here is to enter the industry and be able to contribute to creative endeavors and get to do what we want to do. That's the reward. The reward is the work itself. I would say it feels great. It's a sense of fulfillment. It's a sense of gratitude in the sense that a lot of these former students, a lot of these peers, many instructors when I was a student at TFS helped me get to this position, and it really was not in any way, my sole efforts that allowed me to get to this point. It was being able to count on former students that were at TFS with me, colleagues, instructors, and so on and so forth.